Hi, my name is Gautam Kumawat and I am your instructor during this course. In this video, we are going to do the practical demonstration of CSRF vulnerability. So I don't hack always a website, but when I do, it's cross-site request forgery. So let's get started. So here we go. This is our currently vulnerable machine is currently running here. As you can see here it is. So this is the IP address. So let's open it up and I will go to the DVWA. Just try to log in into DVWA using our default password as username as admin and password as password, and click on the login here. So you can see we successfully login into this web application, and the DVWA security level is currently low because your website is vulnerable to the cross-site request forgery. So I will just click on it and check out which type of functionality the web page is having. So I will check out the view page source here and just read out this code. So as I already told you, if you want to get started with the bug hunting, you should know some little bit basic of the web application programming language. So you can understand the code, you can do the little bit change on the code and get the desired result. So as you can see in this code, this is asking for the new password and it's not asking for any type of old password. So even you can change the code out here, it's not asking for the old password, it's asking for the new password, and just confirm this password and the user can change the password without knowing the old password. So we are going to take the benefit of this functionality and we will try to change the password of the victim without any information. So let's do some changes here. I will try to change the password to the 123 and I will just click on the change. So see what's going to be in this URL. So when you click on the change, as you can see, this is the password is currently changed and this password is also going in the URL also. So they are using the get repaste. Even this is also bad practice to show your password in the URL. So what I will do, I will just try to log in with the 123 and as you can see I will just log out. So I will just copy this URL and paste out here, or even don't want to copy, just take it easy. So I'll just log out, and if I log in with the admin and password, I will unable to log in because I changed the password as 123. So if I use 123, I can successfully able to this lab. So let's try to hack the user and change the password of this DVWA. So what I will do, I will just change the password to the password and confirm as password, and I will do the click on the change. So I will click to the view page source and I'm just going to see that which form it is using to change the password. So it's using this form. So I will copy this form and paste out this form in any text editor. So here we go, just make a new file and paste out here. So I will use Command plus to make the size of this form large so I can do the little bit change over here. So as you can see, this is method they are using get, but they should not use get method to change the password. And even this is showing, so this is the bad practice. I will remove it out and I want to show a little bit trick part. So the user is get on the trick and he will just try to click on any button. So as you can see, like a lot of people are just curious to get fucking money without paying any penny. So I will just give a h1 tag here that click on below button to get how much your dollar. So let's say $500, and I will close this h1 tag. And even this is the type is equal to password here. So as you can see, that if any user will type password as 123 or anything, it's got converted into the password here. So I will make it this field as hidden. I don't want to show it anymore. make it hidden, and along with I want to add a new value here. So I want to give the value, and the value I want to give is the password I want to change. So let's give it as a Gautam, and same value I want to give in this confirm password field. So I will go here and I will give the value as a Gautam. Make sure this value you should give the same value, because if you not confirm your password, it's not going to change. So give the same value here, and the type is already hidden here. One more thing I'm just going to change is just delete this line breaking option here. So if anything is asking, because I don't want to show all this stuff things, because if the user will see that there is a confirm new password field, he will not click on the button anymore. So I will just remove this line breaking field here, and even you can keep it, and even also you can remove this field or over here. So let's check out anything we have to done here. So one more thing we left out is we want to do any type of action over here. So when the user will open this form, where he will redirect to which type of action he will take, on which URL he will take. So as we already here, so I will just copy this. You can see when you enter the password here as a password, so I will copy this field, that on this field we are going to do the changes. So I will just paste here and remove this hash sign. After that I will paste the path here. So this is the H1 tag, and this is the input type hidden, autocomplete off, name, this is the name is equal to, this is the value I'm giving, name type is equal to hidden, name is equal to this one, value is equal to Gautam here, and everything seems perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save this file as getmoney.html, and I will just try out to send this file, use extension as the HTML, and I will just check out it. You can see here it is got saved. So I will just close this file. Let's see if anything is I had to change. Hey, nothing, everything is seems like perfectly working. So I will just close it out, and I will try to send out this file to the victim using any email, any social media, or any chat bar. So I will send this file to the victim saying, hey, just click on this link, click on this HTML file, and when you click on this link, you will get $500 without paying any single penny. It's free. You are getting this money in the free giveaway. So when the user will get this get HTML file, what he will do, he will just open it up and check out, hey, what's inside this file. So take the example that user, or you can say your victim is currently open this file, and he will just click on the change here. So I will just refresh it by click on the CSR. As you can see, nothing is appear in the URL, and when you click on the change here, see the password is now got changed to the Gautam here. So that's how you can trick a user to change your password. So if even you can check out by click on the when the user will log out, and he will just log in using their already given password. See, here unable to use, because right now you are having the actual password of that user, that is the Gautam here. So when the user will log in using the Gautam, he will be successfully logged in. So as you will got the password, you already know the password. User is not aware that which type of password he changed by just clicking on the link. So that's how this attack work. And as you can assume, like which type of tons of thing you can do using this attack. You can transfer money to your account. You can change the email address of your victim. You can change the settings of your victim, and you can do other tons of stuff if that website is vulnerable to cross-site request forgery. So hope you understand this attack. Why this attack is happening, I will tell you that right now this is the pages, and even this one is also page. I will just try to open this up. So right now this security level is low. So take example that the security of this website is currently high. So this website will be have anti-CSRF token. So as we made a page using some HTML code, so whenever user will click on this change button here, and the security of this web page is high. So when the user will click on the change button, this web page is not having anti-CSRF token that is the same as this page. So the server will get to know that the request made from any type of external page is not actually made from the actual user. So they will deny the request. But as in this case, as the security is low, so this page is not having any anti-CSRF token, and even this page is not having any type of anti-CSRF token. So if the request will be get made, it will be just server will accept the request and change the successful password. So that's how it works. So as I already given some of the tips how you can, if you're a developer, how you can stay away from this cross-site request forgery vulnerability by implementing some of the anti-CSRF token, nonce, or any type of random values. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are having any type of problem, just feel free to ask. Have a great awesome day.